All right, so music appreciators, our mission for this project is to basically check out the um, video of the shadow puppets and align key points with the of the video with our piece of music. Um, so there's two parts in this video that I think are exciting, and just kind of looking at this rundown, right? You have as Jashad noticed, this is Darth Vader. He comes in, right, and he picks up the guy, and then he like yells at him. There's some dialogue. Maybe your music is building to a crescendo. There's evil laugh, right? Because in the actual show, in the actual puppet show, there's an evil laugh. So where there's the evil laugh, maybe that's where I'm going to say is my first apex, right? Or anytime in between when Darth Vader picks up this guy and evil laughs, Sankala Veda. So let's call that like pretty early on, right? Comes in, it's exciting, and then here, right here at number 12, kind of, that's like an apex. Then they have a little dialogue back and forth, and eventually Darth Vader like yells at this guy. Let's see. He picks him up, right, and then he beats him up. Darth Vader beats up the rebel soldier, like right there. Okay, so we got 12 seconds and a minute and 14 seconds are the two parts of this video that I want to highlight. 12 seconds and a minute 14. People have been asking me, how do I know when these happen in the actual piece of music, right? And you can check it out at the top. Is the shorthand answer, right? You have the bar of the music, the beat here. You can choose any tempo you want for this project. If you want a slower one, choose obviously lower numbers. Faster, choose faster, higher numbers. So let's choose. I'm going to leave the beat at 120 beats per minute, which is 2 beats per second. But anyway, and I'm going to, I'll leave this as C major. You can play with the time signatures if you feel fancy, right? You can make it 5 beats per minute, blah, blah, blah. 5 beats per measure. It's been a long day, hasn't it? 7th, 8, you can make it 12, 8, whatever you want. But if you want to know when the highlights are, you can actually press this button here. It says beats per time, beats/time. So over here it'll tell you, if you're playing your song, here's the seconds as they go by, and over here it shows you the beats, which is cool. If you just want to see time, like if you're doing like a freestyle improv thing, it'll actually just show. You can even just show you the, the time as it scrolls along here, which is kind of cool. I think most of our updated GarageBands have this option over here on the top display of our DAW, so that's something you can think about. I found some cool synthesizers. I'm going to play around with them, and for our entertainment's sake, I'm going to improvise a little keyboard here, accompaniment to this. Yeah, cool. Leave that there. Then we'll go, oops, not that. Window, not Safari. Okay, good. So musical typing is here. So I found this cool synth that I like. And I'm going to mess around. So I'm watching the video from the beginning, making my recording. And I know at about 12 seconds, right, is when Darth Vader is going to mess around. Oh, wait, I forgot to play anything, so I'm going to start again. go back to the beginning here, and this will be kind of fun. This musical typing is not the easiest instrument to play. Okay, click U, click U. Alright, Darth Vader's picking them up. It's about 12 seconds. I might do some different instruments later. Even here's the evil laugh, right? So I accented that a little bit. Then he's about to beat him up. Okay, so maybe that's my my weird way of playing along with the video there. All right, so I have this whole tune that I played. You don't have to necessarily use this method. You can use your own methods. All right, track, new track. Maybe you want to add some different layers here. So I'll go into my software instruments portfolio. I'll go to what is it? View, show loop browser, and maybe I won't musically type anymore. Yeah, maybe I want to do some. Maybe I want to do some drums or some mallets. Oh, look at that! They even have a gamelan. All right. It's kind of annoying. See how it sounds together. Alright, and then maybe I'll loop this a little bit. Maybe I'll have some, what's the ghostly steel drum? Oh no, I don't like that one. Maybe I'll go do some other percussions or some shaker. Maybe during the first highlight, like I want to have some big bombastic, I don't know, a big thunk or something from some percussion or some shakers. Whirl the drums. Oh, okay. Those aren't that fun. So maybe I'll do a different instrument. I don't know. See how that sounds. But there's no, I want like a big explosion sound effect. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Oh, look, maybe we want some star drive in the beginning. Yeah, that's pretty good. And oh, yeah, it's a stapler. No. Oh boy, I don't like that. Sneeze. Yeah, gesundheit. The shield door. Okay. I don't know. I'll go to 12 seconds and maybe like there'll be some cool effect there. Okay, so my point is basically you want to illustrate the sounds of the video to be coinciding with what's happening visually in the video. Ooh, that's out there. All right, so maybe I want a different sound. Okay, that's pretty simple. I like that organ, sounds cool. So maybe, I don't know. I'm just playing around. I think you get the idea. You don't have to watch this far. If you do, cool. If you don't, whatever. Control Z. Oh, nice. Oh man, this got to be weird. But you know, I'm just, this is kind of what's going on in my mind. I got rained on, like coming back from the field trip, so yeah. Do that a couple times. What was the other peak that I had mentioned? Oh yeah, it was 1 minute and 14 seconds, right? Which was like over here. So maybe for the one where, oh, that's pretty sweet. Oh, we need some of that. Maybe that'll signify that. And then we need some weird sound effects. Whoa! That's great. Oh, no, no, no. I don't do that. Nope. Alright, so I like this. Wait a minute. I like you. So I'm going to take this welder sound effect and I'm going to try to... Oh, man. Did not want you to go there. And I want to put it here. And I'm going to just like make it a little shorter. Because this is Darth Vader taking care of business with that pesky rebel. In the video, he's like beating him up. So I'll have some cool welding sound effects. That'll be cool. What's that? Oh no. Okay. It's not a brass instrument, but whatever. Alright, let's listen to the whole thing here. Is there anything in the middle that's cool? Oh, excuse me, that was cool. The heck?